In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make carrot cake cupcakes. First, you're going to need 3 medium-sized carrots, and then what you're going to do is shred these down finely so that it creates 1.5 cups for the cake batter. So for your dry ingredients, you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. For your wet mixture, you're going to want to add 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 eggs. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of cinnamon applesauce. Add a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Add half of your dry ingredients that were set to the side and mix that until smooth. Add your 1.5 cups of shredded carrots and then the rest of your dry ingredients on top of the carrots. Mix this until you see no dry ingredients left and so that your carrots are evenly mixed throughout. Fill your cupcake liners 2/3 way full. I'm using an ice cream scooper because it gives me the perfect scoop. For your cream cheese icing, add 1 stick of unsalted butter and 1 8-ounce cream cheese. You're going to want to mix this so that the butter is fully incorporated into the cream cheese. You should see no lumps. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to add 3 cups of sifted confectionery sugar into my batter, but I'm going to add them 1 cup at a time, mixing after each. Finally, for the icing, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For your carrot toppers, you're going to want to melt down some orange chocolate and then start by making a zigzag line and then start bigger as you gradually get smaller to form a carrot. Melt down some green chocolate and then I draw 3 lines at the top of the carrot to create a stem. I'm going to place them in the freezer for 5 minutes so that they can properly dry. Take your pastry bag, or you can use a Ziploc bag, and transfer all of your icing into the bag so that you can properly pipe the cupcakes. So for the icing, I start on the outside and then I gradually come in the middle. For the final step, you're going to want to take your carrots out of the freezer and then peel them off of the wax paper and put them on top of your cupcakes.